Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find or reset your Duolingo password. So let's begin. Click on I already have an account, choose forgot password, then enter your email address. Just click on next. Then you will need to confirm it in your email to reset the password, and then you will be redirected back to the Duolingo application. So just follow the email, click on that. Then reset your password, enter a new password, and then re-enter your new password just to make sure it matches. Then reset password. And you're done. You should now be able to access your Duolingo application. I hope you found this video very helpful.